Hello, ladies and gentlemen, my mathletes of all shapes and sizes and ages. We're looking at question number 3 on the Gauss paper, the grade 7 Gauss paper from 2005. Contestants on Gauss Reality TV are rated by an applause meter. In the diagram, the arrow for one of the contestants is pointing to a rating that is closest to. So this is a question where they're testing our skills in sort of ordering numbers, but also sort of reading, sort of like a graph almost, or a representation of data at the very least. It's almost like a curved number line. And so can we read that? Can we understand it? So I'm going to draw a copy of it in my notepad. So we have an arc here. Oops. We have an arc going on here. We have 9, and they were going up by 0.2, so 9.2 and 9.4. And you notice as we do this, the numbers are increasing. Right? So I notice the numbers are increasing. And so I take a look, where's the needle pointing? It's pointing a bit between the 9.6 and the 9.8. Okay, so if the numbers are increasing, if it's beyond the 9.6 coming from this direction, should be greater than 9.6, but it's not quite at the 9.8 or past it, so it should be less than 9.8. Which of my possible responses, because it's multiple choice, which of my possible responses do I have here that look like that? Well, both A and B are too little. They're less than 9.6. They'd be higher up on this scale. Same with 9.5. It would actually be a little before the 9.6 because it's smaller. 9.9, that'd be a little too big. It's above 9.8. We're looking for one of these numbers to be between 9.6 and 9.8. And the only one that fits the bill is C. And I bet a lot of you probably got that quite quickly, but it's important to understand how we got that, because we can recognize the pattern that the numbers are increasing. We can tell, okay, it's got to be more than the 9.6, less than the 9.7, or sorry, 9.8. So we're going to have 9.7, and that's C. Okay? So there we go. So on to the next question, and that'll be question number 4.